In other news tonight, the head of the World Health Organization says global leaders should prepare to see more cases of hantavirus amid ongoing efforts to contain the virus. So far, the WHO has confirmed 9 cases linked to the Dutch cruise ship. 18 U.S. citizens are now being monitored at facilities in Georgia and Nebraska. And that's where we find correspondent Ian Lee with the latest.
Dramatic footage shows British Army medics parachuting onto a remote island in the Atlantic to treat a man who possibly contracted hantavirus from the MV Hondius.
At the moment, there is no sign that we are seeing the start of a larger outbreak.
The World Health Organization has tied a total of 11 reported cases of the virus to the ship, the latest discovered in a passenger quarantined at a hospital in Spain.
Given the long incubation period of the virus, it's possible we might see more cases in the coming weeks.
One American who tested positive but is not experiencing symptoms is currently being held in a biocontainment unit at the University of Nebraska Medical Center.
Once we have a clear results with some of the testing, we'll be able to decide whether they need to stay in biocontainment.
Health officials here in Omaha are evaluating 15 other American passengers from the ship in a separate quarantine unit similar to a hotel.
Every day we do twice a day symptom check and temperature check. Everyone has remained fever-free and asymptomatic.
2 other cruise ship passengers, a couple, were brought to the Emory University Hospital in Atlanta for care. One of them is symptomatic, but Monday night tested negative.
Hantavirus is not going to be COVID.
While the Andes strain responsible for the deadly outbreak can spread from person to person, experts stress this is not the start of another pandemic.
It is less infectious. COVID was airborne. Most of the transmissions with hantavirus are direct, intimate contact.
Health officials say symptoms of the virus can appear up to 42 days after exposure, but they insist the risk to the public remains low. Ian Lee, CBS News, Omaha, Nebraska.